You think we have enough stuff?
Wow, I really am letting Jordan carry all the stuff. Well, we need to get to the top of the mountain, and I know one place to go. Let's take the chairlift.
Should we take Single Express?
Single Express, nope.
Oh, this chair's gonna hit us. We're gonna die.
And... duh. For a second, we were scared that we weren't gonna have a lap bar, but this thing just came down over us. Well, so it actually would be faster to just walk to the top, but of course I wanted to take the nice, relaxing, scenic way of the chairlift.
Oh, I had a dream. We were on a chairlift high above the ground. Oh, my fear of heights. So, bit of an update. We're about to ride Summit Plummet.
Oh wow! You see, look, roller coasters I can do, but there's something extra freaky about water slides.
Agreed.
Then start sliding.
There it is, our tomb.
Hey, look! Wait, Jordan, block me, Jordan, look!
Whoa!
Look at the backside of Everest.
You can't see it because the low-quality GoPro, but the backside of Everest is a bunch of blocks of titanium. Well, goodbye.
He's dead.
You're dead. Yep. Goodbye. Woohoo!
And when I lift the bar, you're gonna give yourself a push, lie back, trust you.
Yep.
Goodbye.
Bye, y'all.
I hate this. Lie back.
I'm dead. That was one of the most painful water slides I have ever ridden on.
See, look, 40 miles per hour. This thing works again, because for the longest time, this thing did not work.
We are heading back up to ride Slush Gusher.
And when we go back up to ride Steamboat Springs, we'll probably be taking the chairlift again.
But until then, time lapse.
Oh no, people are here. Please stop, no offense. What is it?
I really hate steak. I just want to say, don't take the right thing.
Just wait for the chair from the hair now. That part is above that hair now. Then when you reach the yellow line, you're stepping out of that chair. Look at that guy's
Look at this boy. This kid's gonna get washed ashore. Look out, you're gonna flip over. Here it is, double dipper. I'm gonna race Jordan down this. Well, here we are for downhill double dipper. Just gotta grab my tube. Let's see. Oh, here comes one. Tube. Okay, so there's this blocker here. Just have to wait for that to fall. Jordan's on the other side. I'm gonna race him. I'm gonna hope that I win. Whoa. Whoa. All right, gonna do one of the mat rides. Let's see, snowstormers or toboggan. I think we're gonna do toboggan racers. No, Jordan, no, no. So go. Yo. Whoa. This is fast. Very fast. I can feel it coming. Chairlift round 3, y'all. Teamboat Springs time, y'all.
Ooh la la.
I need another hand grip on this handle stuff. Yeah, but I want to grab this one. We're kind of slumped down. We're sinking.
We have to go under melting ice.
Like to ride like this. Yeah, I would like a ride like this that's just level on the ground and chilling, going by full speed and stuff. Well, Jordan just took the only tube that's here in the lazy river. So it looks like I'm just gonna be walking this lazy river. Wow, this only comes up to like slightly above my knees. Well, I'm a tall person. Well, oh Jordan, you better watch out because I can remember that this water is very cold. Yep, I'm just gonna chillingly walk. Oh, there's a smudge. Let me just. Next stop, the Runoff Rapids. Whoa! Yeah. Whoa! Jordan, I dare you! Whoa, this is a long slide. Whoa! Oh no, stay light. Look right there. I can see there used to be a slide, but they've completely torn up the ending part, and also up at the top. I don't know if I showed, but they blocked off the entrance. But the slide is still here.
I've had it with the draft. I'm ditching it. I'm just gonna swim now. An update. I'm still swimming down the river, but it looks like there's a house up ahead. Maybe this house up ahead. Maybe this will give some directions of where I need to go. Oh, he's hanging up his clothes. Let's go. Let's go check out his house. Hey. Oh, this dude must have a sneezing issue. Excuse me, sir, I need some directions. Ah! Oh. Here comes our tube.
Wait, something's coming?
Yep.
Yay. Stand back, Jordan. Oh, it's...
Let's do this. Here I go. Whoa. What's that, it? Whoa. Whoa. Good lordy. Holy moly. Well, after a re-ride on Downhill Double Dipper, it's time to drop off our tubes. Goodbye. Fulfill your destiny. So, with that, we are done here at Blizzard Beach. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. See you next time.